कैसे हो आप लोग? होप यू ऑल आर वेल. टुडे आई विल डिस्कस इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ फार्मेसी. इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ फार्मेसी में आज हम कवर करेंगे व्हाट इज़ द फार्मेसी, व्हाट इज़ फार्मासिस्ट, व्हाट इज़ ड्रग, व्हाट इज़ डोज एंड व्हाट इज़ डोजेस फॉर्म. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फार्मेसी के बारे में जानते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द फार्मेसी? So the word pharmacy is derived from Greek word pharmakon, which means drug. The pharmacy is art and science of preparing and dispensing of medicines. You can also define pharmacy as it is the art and science of preparing, packaging, storing and dispensing of medicines to the others. Now, one more important thing is who is the father of pharmacy? So, Galen is the father of pharmacy. And one more important question, who is the father of Indian pharmacy? Then, Mahadevlal Saraf is father of Indian pharmacy. Now, I will discuss pharmacist. So, first question is who is the pharmacist? The pharmacist is person who is professionally qualified to prepare and dispense medicines. And so pharmacist is also known as drug man. The first pharmacist was Jonathan Robert. Now I will discuss about drug. One more important question is what is drug? Drug is a chemical substance or drug is any substance that is used in the treatment, diagnosis or prevention of the disease. For example, paracetamol, diclofenac sodium, metformin hydrochloride. As you all know that paracetamol is antipyretics, which means it is used for the lowering of high temperature. It means it is used in fever. Diclofenac sodium is used for painkiller, means to reduce the pain, and metformin hydrochloride is anti-diabetic drug. The basic difference between drug and medicine is drug is a chemical substance while medicine is a preparation. Now one more question is dose. What is the dose? The dose is a specific amount of medicine that is taken at one time. For example, dose may be 10 mg, 20 mg, 250 mg, 50 mg, and some other dose may also available in the market. Now we will discuss dosage form. What is dosage form? The form in which we take drug is known as dosage form, or the form in which drug is available in market is known as dosage form. It means जिस फॉर्म में हम ड्रग को लेते हैं उसे डोजेज फॉर्म कहते हैं, या जिस फॉर्म में ड्रग मार्केट में अवेलेबल होती है उसको डोजेज फॉर्म करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल सॉलिड डोजेज फॉर्म, लिक्विड डोजेज फॉर्म, सेमी सॉलिड डोजेज फॉर्म. सॉलिड डोजेज फॉर्म के एग्जांपल्स हैं टैबलेट, कैप्सूल्स, पील्स. एंड लिक्विड डोजेज फॉर्म के एग्जांपल्स हैं सिरप, इमल्शन, सस्पेंशंस. एंड सेमी सॉलिड डोजेज फॉर्म के एग्जांपल्स हैं पेस्ट, क्रीम. ये सब डोजेज फॉर्म आप लोग मार्केट में बहुत ही कॉमनली देख सकते हैं. दिस इज़ all about introduction of pharmacy. Thank you for watching this video.